Good morning friends. Today we will start the revision of chapter number 1, that is integers. Okay. In this chapter we solve exercise and also some concept of integers. So here we will revise all the concept and we will solve some examples that you need to solve in revision section. Okay. So here first, what is integer? Before that we learn about the natural number. So which number are there in natural number? This all thing you need to write in a notebook. Okay. Natural numbers include 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. After that we learn about the whole numbers. So which numbers will be there in the whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3 to infinite. Means all natural numbers are in the whole number and also 0. We learn about the fractions, number like numerator and denominator form, decimal, 0.2, 0.06, 1.5. These are the decimal. Okay. Now sometimes we also need to use some negative numbers. So we need to use the concept of integers. So integers include negative, 0 and positive. Which numbers will be there in the integers? Negative, 0 and positive. Now, in integers we learn that number line. So how to represent number line? On number line, positive number will be on right side, negative number will be on left side. Okay. Now also we need to perform the addition and subtraction of integers. So what you need to remember? You need to remember four statement. That first is addition or subtraction of integers. For that, if we add positive integer, move right. In any integers, if we add positive integer, then move on number line right side. If we subtract positive integer, then move left side. If we add positive integer, move right. If we subtract positive integer, move left. Then add negative integer, move left, and subtract negative integer, move right. So these four statements you need to remember. Now let's solve some example related to addition or subtraction on number line. So let's take first -3 plus 4. If this equation is given like that, -3 plus 4, then here sign of 4 is not given, means it is a positive integer. So here if sign of 4 is not given, it is positive integer. So here we are adding positive integer in -3. So on number line, first we need to draw number line. Positive integer on right side, negative integer on left side. Now first thing you need to locate -3. So that will be here. And adding 4 means 4 step on right side, because we are adding positive integers. So move 4 step right side. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Where we reach? We reach to the 1. So answer of this will be 1. Clear? Let's take one more example. -5 plus -3. what is the statement? If we add a negative integer, then move left. Means we need to move left side. So here 1, 2 and 3. We reach to -8. So answer is -2. Now, if first integer is p, subtract positive integer. Subtract positive. So what is the statement? Subtract positive, move left side. So first -4, -5, -6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now first locate 3, that is positive, so that will be here. Subtract negative means move left side. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 step left, we reach to -2, so answer is -2. Clear? Now next if we need to subtract a negative integer. So again draw a number line. 0, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So here first subtract negative. So what is the statement? If we want to subtract the negative, move right side. So here first locate -3, right side on 3 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 4 steps. So answer is 1. Okay. So this is what about the addition and subtraction of integers on number line. Again, add positive. Remember this means positive. Move right. Add negative. Move left. Subtract positive. Move left. Subtract negative. Move. Okay. So here I will give some example that you need to solve in homework. Perform the addition and subtraction on number line. -2 plus 3. Now, how to perform the addition and subtraction without number line? So here, without number line. So if I give you some example like -3 plus -4. Without number line, here you can see the sign of 3 is negative, sign of 4 is also negative. So whenever two signs are negative, add the number. So here 3 plus 4 is 7 and sign of greater number, that is minus, because 4 is a greater number and sign of 4 is minus. So here whenever two signs are same, add the numbers. Whenever one sign is negative, one is positive, subtract the number. When one positive, one negative, subtract the number. So here we are only performing the addition of number. Whenever we need to perform the addition, you need to remember this 4 condition, that whenever two signs are same, add the number, sign are different, subtract it. So here second, if we take -3 plus -8 plus -1. Here you can see all signs are same. So 3 8, 11 plus 1, 12. Now what is the sign of answer? It is negative because 8 is a greater number and sign of 8 is negative, so that is minus 4. Let's take one more example. Minus 4 plus 8. Now here 1 negative, 1 positive. So subtract the number. 8 minus 4 is 4. And what is the sign of answer? That is plus 4 because 8 is a greater number. 4, 6 plus minus 3. 6 is positive, 3 is negative, so sign are different. So here 6 minus 3 is 3 and sign of 3 is plus 3. Next one, minus 6 plus minus 4 plus 3. Now here you can see two numbers are negative, one is a positive. So first we solve the negative numbers. 6 plus 4 is minus 10 because 6 is a greater number. And sign of 6 is minus, so answer is also minus 10 plus 10. Now here 1 negative, 1 positive. So subtract the number. 10 minus 3 is 7 and sign of 7 is minus because 10 is greater and sign of 10 is minus. So answer is also minus 10. Minus 3 plus minus 8. Both are same. So here 8 plus 3 is 11. Sign is minus 11. Now let's take one more. 3 plus minus 1 plus minus 4. So here 3 is positive. Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. 3 plus minus 5 is minus. One more. Minus 100 plus minus 100 plus 100. So here two numbers are with the negative sign, so it is minus 200 plus 100, that will be at the last. Now 1 negative, 1 positive, so minus 100. Now you can see here we are only performing the addition. The sign between integers are addition. Okay, so you need to solve some example in homework about the addition. So this example you need to solve in homework. So these 6 examples are of addition of integers. Now how to solve the subtraction of integers? So here in the subtraction you need to change the sign of integers if there is a negative sign before the integer. So let's reverse that. If there is a negative sign before minus 3, there is a negative sign, so it becomes plus 3. If we have plus 3, then answer is minus 3. Okay, so whenever it is minus 3 and outside there negative sign, answer will be plus 3 because minus minus plus. If there is an addition and negative sign is there, minus 3. Okay, in algebra chapter we already learned that if there is a negative sign outside the bracket, all the sign inside the bracket will be changed whenever we open the bracket. What we learned? That if we have minus like this, so whenever we open the bracket, sign will be changed, so it will be plus x and minus 3. So same concept we need to apply in integer because this is nothing but the integers. Whenever there is a negative sign, sign of number will be changed. Okay, so here let's take some example. If we have minus 3 minus 4, minus plus, sign of 4 is minus. Now here negative sign, so minus plus, and that will be plus 4. 1 negative, 1 positive now, so that will give plus 1. One more, minus 4 minus 2 minus 8. Now here you can see there is a no sign of 8 means it is a positive integer and we apply this negative sign so it will be negative. Or you can write like this, minus 4 minus plus 2 minus 8. Two numbers are negative, so add that. 4 plus 8 is minus 12 plus 2, that is, now one negative, one positive, so it is minus 10. Okay, next, minus 4 minus 3 minus 1. Now here, negative sign, minus 4, minus plus, so that is plus 3, minus plus, so here plus 1, minus plus, 1 negative, 1 positive, so that is negative 4. 4 is positive, minus sign applied will be negative. This is negative, minus sign applied will be positive. Minus sign is there outside, there is a negative sign, so that will be plus. Clear? After that, combine the numbers with the same sign. Minus 4 is minus 8 and plus 3 plus 1 is plus 4. So that will give minus 4. Minus 5 minus 3 plus minus 8 plus. Now here I apply the concept of both addition and subtraction. Whenever there is a negative sign of number will be changed. Minus 5 minus plus, so that is plus 3 plus minus. So here we get minus 8 plus. Now same minus 5 minus 8, that will be minus 13. 3 plus 3 is plus 6. So minus 13 plus 6 will be minus 7. Let's take some more example. So minus 8 minus 4. So here minus 8 minus plus minus plus. Okay. Now term with the same sign. So here minus 8 minus 3, that is minus 11. 4 plus 1 is plus 5 and answer is minus 6. Sign of greater number, that will be your sign of answer. This kind of example, change the sign first, plus minus 1, plus minus 1, minus plus. Now, same sign, so it is minus 3, same sign, so plus 3 and answer is 0. Clear? So here you need to solve some examples in homework for subtraction also. Minus 9 plus minus 1 minus 3. So these are the examples that you need to solve in homework.